Hello students, welcome again in maths classes, and I hope you are enjoying the study this way because by using the mobile phones study is very interesting. Okay, now today I will solve few questions of exercise 1.1. As you know, in the last video I solved few questions as question number 1 and 2. Today I will solve question number 3, 4 and 5. Okay. For this purpose, I am going to tell you the properties of addition and subtraction. Actually, there are some rules for which you should be very careful. What are these? Listen carefully. I am going to tell you some rules regarding addition. Maybe the addition of 2 or 3 numbers or more than 3 numbers. So if it is given that you have to add the numbers with same sign, means you want to add 2 or 3 numbers with same sign, then you will do addition. Okay, you will add those numbers and the sign of your answer means either it should be positive or negative. So in that case, same sign. Okay, now I give you few examples regarding this point. For example, you want to add 7, let it be 7 and 5, so the answer will be 12. You know very well. Okay, 12, and it will be positive because both the numbers are positive. But suppose you want to add, this is for addition, minus 7 and minus 5, you want to add both of these, then here we will perform addition, not subtraction. Okay, 7 plus 5 is 12, then according to the rule we will put the same sign, means the sign of the numbers will be the same as the sign of your answer. So here both the numbers are negative, so your answer will be negative. So in both these cases you can see that if the numbers are positive, the answer will be positive. If the numbers are negative, answer will be negative. But what happens when there are opposite sign? In this case you will perform subtraction. Okay, subtraction. And what about the sign? उस नंबर का या जो आंसर है उसका साइन क्या होगा? अगर दोनों नंबर्स ऑपोजिट साइन के हैं तो आपको सब्ट्रैक्शन परफॉर्म करना है, एंड जो साइन होगा वो बिगर नंबर के अकॉर्डिंग होगा. ऑलराइट, सो रिगार्डिंग दिस पॉइंट आई गिव यू एन एग्जांपल. फॉर एग्जांपल, if the number is minus 7 plus 5, okay, you are adding minus 7 and 5, this is the sign of addition. So if you are adding both these numbers and these have opposite sign, negative and positive, in this case you will perform subtraction. सबसे पहले आपको डिफरेंस पता करना है. सब्ट्रैक्शन मीन्स फाइंडिंग द डिफरेंस. 7 and 5 का डिफरेंस क्या होगा students? It is 2, but is 2 positive or negative? Now it depends on the bigger number. As you know, 7 is bigger and it is negative. Okay, so our answer will be minus 2. So you will have to be very careful when performing this type of addition and subtraction, and about the sign conventions. Okay, I am going to solve question number 3, and students, if you think that something is important on the board, you can pause the video and note it down, and please don't skip the video. फास्ट फॉरवर्ड भी नहीं करना आपको, अदरवाइज कोई भी पॉइंट आप मिस कर सकते हैं, आपको टॉपिक समझने में डिफिकल्टी हो सकती है. क्वेश्चन 3 इज, आई एम सॉल्विंग क्वेश्चन 3 of exercise 1.1, that subtract the sum of minus 5 to 4, subtract the sum of minus 5 to 4 and 6 7 8 and 6 7 8 from minus 92, from minus 92. Here is the solution. Okay, as you know, subtract the sum of both these, means we will find the sum of these from minus 92. As I told you, in the case of subtraction, जो भी नंबर फ्रॉम के बाद में आता है उसको हम पहले लिखते हैं, ठीक है, और ये नंबर हम बाद में लिखेंगे. सो दिस नंबर विल बी रिटन फर्स्ट minus 92 and we are subtracting. Okay, so this from is converted into negative sign. Okay, and the sum of this means sum of minus 5 to 4 and 6 7 8, it is negative, it is positive, it is negative, it is positive, and we are subtracting this thing from this. So we write in this way. Now minus 2, what we will do in this case, minus and plus opposite signs according to the rule just I have told you. We will perform subtraction and the sign of the bigger number, so it is bigger number, it means answer will be positive. Now do subtraction. So 8 minus 4 4, 7 minus 2 5 and 6 minus 5 1. This is the answer of this expression only. Now it is minus 92 and minus 154, because inside the bracket this is positive quantity, so not a doubt, this is positive, this is negative, plus minus becomes minus. Again we have to follow the rules, both have negative signs, so we will add and the answer will be negative, because अभी मैंने आपको कुछ रूल्स बताए थे, ये दोनों क्वांटिटी नेगेटिव है तो हम इनको ऐड करेंगे, बट आंसर क्या होगा, नेगेटिव होगा, क्योंकि इनका साइन भी नेगेटिव है. सो विल ऐड देम. 4 plus 2 6 and 15 plus 9 24. So students, in this way the answer is minus 246. You can pause the video and note down. अगर आप चाहते हैं तो जो भी क्वेश्चंस मैं यहाँ सोल्व कराता हूँ उनका आप अपनी मैथ्स की फेयर नोटबुक में नोट कर सकते हैं. यू हैव टू मेंशन द एक्सरसाइज एंड डेट. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Question number 4 is subtract minus 341 from the sum of 83 and minus 56. Subtract minus 341 from the sum of 83 and minus 56. All right, the pattern is same. जैसा हमने थर्ड क्वेश्चन किया था वैसा इसको करना है. Subtract this from, तो मैंने आपको बताया था जो भी from के बाद आता है उसको हम पहले लिखेंगे. So from the sum of these means इन दोनों का जो सम है, तो इनका सम क्या होगा, इसका और इसका सम इस तरह से होगा. सम, दिस इज द सम ऑफ 83 and minus 56. तो सम ऑफ 83 and minus 56. Now from is minus and this is minus 341. Okay, now plus minus minus and this is minus minus plus. Okay students, now it becomes easier. अब ये बहुत easy हो गया है. You can solve this in two ways. Either perform this subtraction then addition, or you can add both the positive numbers then subtract 56. So it depends on you. Now I am solving as the sign appears from left to right. So 83 minus 56, what is that? It is 27. Okay, plus 341. Now simply you can find the answer. Okay, अब तो आपको बहुत इजीली कर सकते हैं. सी 7 + 1 8 and 34 + 2 is 36 and the answer is 368. So this is the answer. Again I explain you, subtract this number from the sum of these. तो from के बाद जो भी नंबर आता है उसको हम पहले लिखते हैं. तो from के बाद क्या लिखा? sum of these. तो हमने लिखा sum of these 83 and -56. दिस इज द सम. ये जो सब्ट्रैक्ट है ये हमने माइनस लगाया यहाँ पे और -341 इन द ब्रैकेट. नाउ दिस प्लस माइनस बिकम्स माइनस, माइनस माइनस बिकम्स प्लस, एंड फाइनली डू दिस सब्ट्रैक्शन. यू हैव 27. फाइनली एड 341 and you will get 368. So pause the video and note it down. Alright students, next question is 5. The sum of two integers is -278 if one of the integers is -56 find the other. So check the question. The sum of two integers is -278. If one of the integer is -156, find the other. Okay, this is question number 5. Now this question is different, थोड़ा सा अलग है. दो इंटीजर्स का टोटल -278 है. एक इंटीजर हमें पता है, दूसरा फाइंड करना है. सिंपली इफ आई से, आई एम गिविंग एन एग्जाम्पल, सम ऑफ two values is 10 and one of them is 7. What is the other value? Obviously you know it is 3 because you will subtract the given number from the sum. 10 minus 7, second number will be 3. So you can obtain is it very easily. In the same way you write another integer is, first you will write the sum. So sum is -278 and you will subtract the number which you know. Subtract the number that is -156. Now here you should be very careful. Okay, you have to be careful. यहाँ पे क्या करना है, ये दो नंबर्स का सम है, ये हम पहले लिखेंगे, फिर हम सब्ट्रैक्शन का साइन यूज करेंगे. ओके, बी केयरफुल. देन यू विल राइट दिस नंबर बिकॉज दिस नंबर इज नेगेटिव. So we'll write this number in the bracket. This is used for subtraction process. Finally minus minus becomes plus. Now again you should remember the rules. These have opposite sign, minus and plus. So perform the subtraction and put the sign of bigger number. So what is the difference? इन दोनों का difference पता करना आपको. So 8 minus 6 2, 7 minus 5 2 and 2 minus 1 1. And what will be the sign? The sign will be negative because the bigger number is negative. So in this way you will solve the questions. Okay students, I hope आपको बहुत अच्छे समझ में आ गया होगा. Now I will give the homework in your assignment. Solve these questions which are based on these concepts. Okay, now be sincere, continue your study, stay healthy and stay happy. Okay, have a good day.